Hi and welcome guys to another new watch unboxing. For those who want to change the knife, yeah, I bought this particular knife. It's not too fancy, but it's gonna do the job. Addiesdive watch. Let's see what is inside the box. It seems like this is a good knife. So thank you very much for suggesting for me to buy a new knife. So guys, before we get into the watch, let's do a quick wrist check. I'm wearing this steel dive homage to the GMT Master 2 Pepsi. This is an extremely nice watch. I really love this particular watch. I've been using this watch for more than 3 years now, and it's holding up really nice. It comes with the NH34 movement, and what else to say, it's a very nice watch with an bi-directional bezel, and this is an ceramic bezel itself, and check it out as well guys. Please subscribe to the channel to help the channel. Your subscription gonna help the channel a lot, so we can bring you more videos like this. Watch out for all the links in the description, also for some discount codes which will give you extra discount on your purchase. Guys, I have bought this watch from Addiesdive watch flagship store in AliExpress. Let's quickly unbox and see what is inside the box. It's the same old Pelican case from Addiesdive. Finally, I have jumped into an Addiesdive diver style watch. Let's see what is inside the box. Same usual stuff, warranty card and sign, common user manual, and a tool to adjust your bracelet resizing. That's it guys. Guys, this is the AD2536 from Addiesdive. Quickly let me know what are the other color variation they have. They have a light blue and an black or ash color kind of Fumé dial version. I will leave the pictures so you can have a look at it. Have a look at this dial guys. It's absolutely gorgeous indeed. Let's quickly unwrap this plastic. It's really good to see this indication, so it will be easier for you to unwrap. All the plastics are off. Let's give a quick wipe. It's a kind of an submariner homage. They're taking some inspiration from the mill sub as well, because I'm saying mill sub because the hands looks very similar to the one uses in the mill sub, and also second hand kind of 62 mass. So it's kind of mix and match, but yeah, it's more of an submarine homage. Let's quickly see the case construction. This is a 316L stainless steel construction, and the sides are polished fingerprint magnets when you have polished sides, and the upper part of the watch is brushed. Nice finishing indeed from Addiesdive. Addiesdive is one of the known brands, so they give you good quality finishing in their watches. And have a look at this dial. Dial is the most highlighted thing of these Addiesdive watches. They give you extraordinary dials. Have a look at that pattern. It's kind of stripes. Really looks nice. In person, I'm not sure of you seeing this on the camera, but it is really nice looking. It's an Fumé dial, dark bluish, and also some mixture of colors you can see there, black, kind of gray. It is absolutely fantastic looking guys. All right, I'm a little bit carried away. Have a look at this indices. These are applied indices. I'm sure this will be filled with plenty of lume, and also you have printed minute trackers. Let's quickly see the bezel action of this particular watch. This is an 120 click ceramic bezel. Let's quickly see the bezel action. Nice action, no backplay. It's not too tight and too light as well. It's a really nice feeling. No backplay. Let's align and see. Good alignment. So this is really nice stuff from Addiesdive. Let's have a look at this side. We do get a screw down crown with Addiesdive logo engraved, and we also get an screw down case back, which is pretty much like an Rolex type case, which you need some extra tools to take it off. But this particular case back makes the watch slimmer than the other one. I really have no complaints regarding that. Have a look at it guys. You get a screw down crown and screw down case back on this particular diver. This has been declared 200-meter water resistant, so I'm sure it's going to hold up well. I have put many of my Addiesdive watches on the pool, and they have survived the pool really well. So I'm pretty confident this is going to survive as well. Since they claim this is an sapphire crystal, let's do a quick sapphire check. Yeah, we are getting good reading for sapphire. So this is genuine piece of sapphire, guys. Let's quickly check the Cyclops, whether they have put sapphire there as well. Some brands don't put sapphire on that. Yeah, I think the Cyclops is also sapphire. They are getting very good reading. So this is really good from Addiesdive. So the glass and the Cyclops, everything is sapphire, which is very good at this price point from Addiesdive. Addiesdive, one of the brands, you cannot beat them at this particular price point. They are almost ruling this particular segment of price category wise. Now they give you absolute value for money watches at this price point. With the NH35 being shortage of NH35, this particular one comes with the Miyota 8215 series of movement, which is an NH35 equivalent movement. Let's quickly see the crown action of this particular watch. It's nice feeling. It's an hacking movement. You can see the second hand has hacked. Let's see the crown action. This is nice action. Let's see at what time the date changes. 1 or 2 past 12 midnight, the date changes. Let's go back and see the screw back action of this particular watch. See, we have screwed it back. Nice screw back action, no gaps whatsoever. Let's do a quick check of this particular bracelet. It starts at 20 at the lug and tapers down to 16 at the clasp. You have this oyster style bracelet with fully brushed effect, and I really like this brushed bracelet than the polished Centrelink ones. And Addiesdive known for the, at this price point, this is I have no complaint on this particular bracelet. The underside of the bracelet is also kind of brushed, so you don't get any rough edges there, which is really good. And this comes with push pins, no screw pins at this price point. But what is disappointing is this particular press clasp. I have seen them giving milk clasp, but I'm not sure why they have put this press clasp here with double pushers with 3 micro adjustment. This is what you are getting on normal, known brands, reputed brands, but Addiesdive usually give you a better clasp than this. So I'm little disappointed at that aspect of this particular watch. They could have put an middle clasp on this particular watch. Let's quickly put this watch on my wrist and see how it looks. This is how the watch looks on my 6.5-inch wrist. I have experienced Submariner style watches before. The one I'm wearing is a similar proportion, the steel dive one. I really like it. There's no such overhang. And now look at the dial, guys. It really shines, the Addiesdive dials at this price point. It's extremely hard to beat them. The only thing I have concern is the Cyclops. It's not an 2.5 kind of magnification. Have a look at this steel dive and the Addiesdive. You can see the magnification. There's an issue with this particular magnification. This is the proper size on the steel dive, and it's kind of out of proportion on the Addiesdive. As if you are giving an Cyclops, it should magnify and it must do its purpose right. This is the proper magnification. And also, guys, please don't go away because this is an Addiesdive watch, so we need to check the loom, how it's gonna look, because I'm very thrilled because it's gonna look really nice on this particular watch. It's filled with BGW9, so please stay tuned for that particular loom shot. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel to help the channel. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up as well. Thank you very much. Let's quickly switch off the lights and see. I'll put the watch on this so there won't be any shakes. All right, let's quickly switch off the light. Have a look at that loom. Let me zoom in a bit. That's guys. Have a look at this loom. It is seriously good loom indeed. I expected this loom because it's similar to the steel dive, the Addiesdive, because even on their dress watches they used to usually give good loom. So this is a diver style watch, so it has to be really good loom. It's really nice, guys. Have a look at that loom. This is BGW9. I'm absolutely sure this particular loom gonna last for a long time. This is seriously good loom indeed. I'm sure this gonna give a serious battle for this particular steel dive. Actually, this particular steel dive is one of my best loom watches. It's an absolute dynamite indeed. So any watch that's gonna give any competition to the steel dive, it has to be really good. Have a look at that loom. Steel dive kind of glowing little bit better maybe. That's what I keep on saying. This particular loom is really good because steel dive is one of my very best. So if anything come close to that, it has to be really good. Okay, enough of steel dive. The Addiesdive is really good. This is absolutely fabulous loom indeed. We can expect this type of loom on the Addiesdive because they're making a mark for themselves at this budget point to give gorgeous loom. I'm sure this gonna last the entire night